Natural brown girl.
Hey YouTube, it's Natural Brown Girl. Guess what? I have my Canon. I'm so happy. I feel broker than a joke, but I finally have my camera. So what it is a Canon R. I don't want to lie to you. It's a Canon Vixia HFR20. And you guys, never mind. This is my son, JC Wacy.
JC!
That's Jace. Okay. Move out of the way. So anyway, got my camera, got my tripod. Got my tripod, compliments of Best Buy. And I got my Canon, compliments of... Where'd we go, Jace, to get my camera? Sam's Club.
Sam's Club.
So I am so happy, and I just wanted to make a quick video to let you guys know that I'm so elated that I have my camera. So leave any comments below and let me know how you think the sorry, hold on, Angry Birds. Jace, can you please go out?
Turn it down.
Jace, please. No, I want you to go out. No, go out. You can go play it in Mommy's room. I've got to get a lock on my door. Anyway. So, yes, I just wanted to come make a quick video, let you guys know that I got my camera. You know what? I feel like doing a happy dance. My camera, got my camera, got my camera. Okay, so let's adjust this so I can show you guys what I am rocking today. Okay, so basically my hair is the same hair from the previous video. Yeah, and you probably couldn't see it that well, but here you go. Just a wet twist out using a Shea Moisture's, can't remember, but go to the other video. This right here was a $4 men's thermal shirt that I cut out the top, and from Ross. And then as far as my bottoms, just some cutout jeans. Famous, what do they call them? Almost Famous. I think it's like one of those Ross brands. Can't see me. Jewelry. is Beauty Supply, $1. Tiffany. This is like my staple little jewelry set. You'll see me with this on like the majority of the time. Oh, I also had this little number on today with it. It's my little thrift store find. It's Ralph Lauren. Yeah. So it's Ralph Lauren blazer. Love it, love it. Was it $4? I think it was $4. So yeah. So anyway, I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I know, I want you. I got my candy. Oh, guess what else I got? Okay, so I just did a whole little shopping spree today. Again, if I say one more time, I got my Canon, but I'm so happy. But I got my camera, I got my tripod, but I also got bought this. Hold on one second, you guys. I'm trying to download this while I'm filming. Okay, so I also bought this. I actually wanted Magic's Music Maker, but it was too expensive, and then they didn't sell it in the stores, so I just got what I got because, you know, I was in the mood to shop today, and I might not have been in the mood later on, so I just got what I found, and it's the Music Creator 6. So I got this at Staples, and it was $39.99, and it okay, so it is a music creator with song construction kits, including over 1,000 professionally recorded music loops. So you can record over them, you can edit them, add your own, you know, different instruments and all that, make your own music. So we'll see how that goes. I'm excited about that too. I'm sure you guys don't already know because I'm new to YouTube. I played piano for 16 years. So, yeah. So, I'm a music fan. I love piano compilations. Anything with piano, you know, I can listen to it all day. So, anyway. So, again, let me not cut this short. I'm already at 7 minutes. I just wanted to say hello. Hope everything is well. Miracles and blessings. Love ya. See you guys soon. Bye.